In this video, we're going to go over the Facebook Ads Mastery course module. So let's go right ahead and jump in here. So the first section here that we're going to be covering is the Facebook Ads Mastery Introduction. This is where we're going to go over the Facebook Ads overview. We're going to go over the Facebook Ads formula for creating profitable Facebook ads. And then we're going to cover some principles of influence. We're going to go over the value ladder, and then the different stages of market sophistication. And then in section 2, we're going to cover the Facebook Ads foundations. This is where we're going to walk through the business manager and the Facebook Ads manager walkthrough as well. We're going to walk through step by step how to set up your Facebook pixel, how to do Facebook competitive analysis. We're going to go over the Facebook Ads policy to make sure that you're following the standards, you're following the policy, so your ads are not getting denied and risk getting your account banned. And then in section 3, this is where we're going to walk through creating profitable Facebook ads. We're going to walk through the different types of campaign objectives, the traffic campaign, clicks, conversion, right? We're going to walk through those that are the most important for what we're trying to accomplish here. If you have a product, if you have a service, right? We're going to walk through the different types of campaign objectives that are going to make the most sense for your business. And then in section 4, this is where we're going to walk through creating custom Facebook audiences. This is where we're going to create audiences from an email list, from an actual seed audience list, lookalike audiences, all the different types of audiences that we can create here and how we can use them to increase our leads and sales through our ad campaigns. And then finally here in section 5, we're going to go over the Facebook ads optimization, where we're going to be able to walk through where we're going to walk through the performance metrics, and we're going to walk through which KPIs you want to make sure that you're keeping an eye on and that you're not going above or you're not going under. We're going to go over some split testing strategies as well. And then I'm going to give you a strategy as to how you can scale your Facebook ads campaigns using a couple different methods. So that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.